time it is. It's time to review some proposals. So today's comes from Halima Yusuf. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thank you, Halima, for submitting your proposal. Now let's have a look at it. So it starts by saying, hello there. I read through your description and I see that you're looking for an email copywriter to write email sequences and newsletters for your project. Let's go bit by bit and let me actually open the job post right here so I can look at it at the same time. But it's basically a job for an email copywriter needed for self-improvement newsletter. They say submit proposal here, which I find weird. I don't know what they mean by that, but whatever. Maybe they're asking you to submit your proposal. And then they say, I need an email copywriter to write an email sequence and weekly emails for a self-improvement newsletter while promoting a product. Send your portfolio if you have any past experience in email marketing. Waiting for proposals. We respond very fast. That's good to know. First thing I see is there's a lot of people applying, so I'm not surprised that maybe this person didn't get it. And that's probably because of the budget. Just taking a wild guess. But let's see. Posted 3 days ago, last check 2 days ago, and they're already interviewing for. Okay. So let's go back to the proposal. So they basically just say, kind of regurgitate what the client said about what they're looking for. And then they say, with my extensive knowledge and remarkable skill set in the email marketing field, I am confident in my ability to deliver exceptional results and contribute to your project's success. I have successfully completed numerous sample works similar to this, enabling me to understand the intricacies, pain points, market research, and challenges associated with your target audience. Sorry, I'm out of breath. And appeal to their emotions to force them to take action. I'm gonna pause here again. The fact that I'm out of breath reading this, and I know the client won't read it out loud, but it makes me wonder if this paragraph couldn't be shortened. Just something to keep in mind. Keep things short as much as possible. You also link to your portfolio, which is great. And you say, thank you for considering my proposal. I look forward to discussing the details of your project further and answering any questions you may have. Here, I would have actually liked for you to ask them questions. So going back to the job here, we see it's for a self-improvement newsletter. Maybe you ask to see their website to see the type of content they're posting. Maybe you ask to see their socials or like a current email they sent. Or you could essentially ask them, what do you want included in the emails? Do you need help creating the template for the emails? Like, just offer to help and to know more about their brand. I think that's always helpful. And then you say, and I will follow your instructions, walk with your deadlines. Walk with your deadlines? I'm not sure if this is a saying and I'm just not familiar with it, but it sounds pretty funny. And provide email copies that will convert. Kindly send me a message now so that I can start working on your project. I'm laughing because the now seems very urgent. Not that it's bad. And then you say, best regards, Halima Yusuf. Again, hope I'm pronouncing the name right. But let's go back and let's talk a little bit more about this. So, first thing you say is hello there. I want to know if we're able to find the client's name. It doesn't seem like it. They have 2 jobs posted, but no hires yet, so I don't think the hello there is wrong. You start by saying, I read through your description. I would cut that off. I know I say that all the time, but you do need to start, especially with a job that has 50 other people applying to it, 50 plus. You do need to start with something that will make them want to read. Like, for example, you can totally prove to them essentially that you read a job post. That's great. But you should maybe lead with a work sample or a work story that you've done in the past. Like, have you worked with a client in a self-improvement niche? Have you done weekly newsletters for a client and you have some stats that you can share? Like, for example, I improved their conversion rate by X or their open rate by Y. Anything like that that you can share right here that's catchy and really gets the client's interest to read more and click on your proposal to read everything. That's the goal with like the first sentence. Now, anything else that you share here, I don't think it's bad. But I do, like I said, think it's very long. So one thing you could actually do here is you could copy the whole thing you've written and paste it onto something like ChatGPT and ask it to summarize it. Like to really put it as short as possible without losing the meaning behind it, the intention. I think that could be a good thing for you, because I know a lot of people struggle with being succinct because they think everything's important and I want to share everything I know with this person so they can hire me. But in this case, less is more. So yeah, maybe try out ChatGPT to summarize your proposals and let me know how that goes. I think I did a video on that. I'll link it right here. I never know where it is, but I'll link it if I can find it. But yeah, I think proposal is a good start, but you need to start with a hook and get to the point much quicker and ask questions. I forgot that. You need to ask questions to the client. Now, if you do want your proposal to be reviewed in a future video, just like this one, I'll have the link as always to submit your proposal down in the description. It's super simple. It's just a Google form and I ask you a couple of questions and you just upload your proposal and I'll review it. Now, I'm gonna go and record another one of these, but if you want to see more, check out this other video that I did of a proposal review and I'll see you right there.